Hey guys, thanks for watching You Can Fix Anything. Today we're going to install the WeMo Wi-Fi smart light switch. I got this in a 2-pack from Costco for about $33. It came with the light switch and the smart Wi-Fi wall plug. So in this video, I'm just going to cover the light switch, and in this application, what I want to do is install this switch into the second from the right light switch here. This controls my fan. So yeah, it comes with like a panel for just a single light switch, but you can make it work with this multiple light switch as well. Now, what you saw me do here was first I removed the panel, and then there are some white wires in there. They're called neutral wires. So I was able to connect the white wire from the WeMo light switch into those white neutral wires. And those don't connect directly to the light switches. They are just other wires that are in there that are necessary for this installation. The next wire I was able to put together was the black wire, and that is just one of the power wires. There's a black one and a red one, and those could go on either, the top and the bottom of the light switch. So I was able to hook up the black one, and what I'm doing here is pulling out and stripping one of the other wires. It's equivalent to the red wire. So I'm going to pull this out, get this fixed, and then put on the red wire onto that. So then that's able to, when you flip the switch, it's able to connect the red and the black wires and power the fan. And you'll also see that there is a green wire, and that wire is for the ground. So in this system, there is just a raw copper wire that's hooked up to the switch as well, and the green one goes there. So on the switch, there are 3 total wires: the red, the black, and the copper. And you're doing the red, the black, and the green, which directly replace the wires that are on the switch, and then the white one is something that, like I said before, is something that's already in the wall. So once you get all that hooked up, as you can see here, you can just stick everything back in the wall. You make sure those wires are all put together with the wire nuts. You just do a clockwise rotation, and it pulls all that together, and it goes in pretty easily. There should be enough space to just fit the WeMo light switch in. Now, you're going to see a problem here is that the light switches are really narrow and small, so there's only a small hole that is cut out in the plate. So that is something that you have to cut out. I didn't have the best tools for this, so I just made some marks and used some scissor type tool to make some cuts, and then used a razor blade to make some more cuts, and then just pushed out a hole. This isn't the prettiest looking thing ever, but it makes some space and makes it so I can just have some space there. Then I just intended to just put some tape around it, and if I had some white tape, that would probably look nicer. So you can see here that I put it over, and it's not a perfect fit, but as you'll see later, I just put some tape around it, and it's good for my purposes. If you had some if you want to spend some time making that real nice, you could get a file and some more proper tooling and make a good cut there. So you'll see here, I just put some tape around it. Now, when you click it, you can see it turns on the fan here, and you click it again, turn it off. And obviously, the whole point of this is that you can hook it up to your phone and control it with your app. So here you can see I've hooked it up to my phone, and I'll click it on the bottom one there. It turns on, and it functions just like you saw me click it. Then it turns off, and that is about it. So thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.